Okay, we are continuing with unit conversions. We have an example problem here with a couple of steps because we're converting meters per second to miles per hour. This is a little bit more complicated than the earlier example. And we've written a summary of the steps that we have to do to make these unit conversions, so let's get started. We start, of course, by making sure that the meters per second and miles per hour measure the same quantity. They do. They both measure speed or velocity. So let's start the problem. I write down what it is that I want to convert, 12 meters per second. And then I write a parentheses and a line for each unit that I have to convert. I have to convert meters and seconds. So I put one of these for the meters and one for the seconds. Okay, I've taken care of step one. Step two is put in the units to cancel what you have and give you what you want. I start with the meters. Okay, my meters are on top, and so I want, in my conversion factor, I want meters to be in the bottom. That will make them cancel out. I want to end up with miles per hour. I want miles on top, so the miles go on top. I then do the same thing with the seconds. My seconds here are on the bottom. So I'm going to put seconds on top in my conversion factor. That will make them cancel. And I put hours in the bottom because I want the hours in the bottom in my final answer. I've done step two. Step three is to put in the numbers to make the top equal to the bottom in each fraction. And to do that, I have to know, first of all, that there are 1,609 meters in 1 mile. And I also have to know the number of seconds in an hour. 3,600 seconds is equal to 1 hour. So let's put those numbers in. The 1609 goes in front of the meters, and 1 goes in front of the mile, because they're equal. The top equals the bottom. And the 3600 goes in front of the seconds. 1 goes in front of the hour. That makes the top equal to the bottom. Now I can do the math. I have the 12 times 3600, because that's on top. And that whole thing is divided by 1609. And that gives me 26.8, or rounds to 27 miles per hour. There's a conversion between 12 meters per second is equal to about 27 miles per hour.